Welcome to our tutorial video series from Selmo Academy. In this video, we will show you the assembly layer of the sequence level. The assembly layer is a function that contains pre-built assemblies and function blocks that can be used for modeling. This layer speeds up the development process by providing existing solutions to common problems. This saves developers time and energy in developing basic functions and allows them to focus on detailed requirements. Add assembly. The assembly layer is usually an abstract layer that sits between the actual application logic and the underlying hardware. Here you will find a collection of pre-built drivers that have been certified by Selmo. The assemblies, or drivers, are divided into groups and are constantly being expanded. Link zones. Here are the settings for this driver. There you can choose a name for the assembly and create or link the in and outputs. By using assemblies, the zones of the system layer are created automatically. This approach creates a huge performance in the modeling because the zone with all properties are created automatically and do not have to be inserted manually as in the previous video. Assembly repository. In the assembly repository, you have an overview of all available drivers for your project. You have the possibility to import, export, or remove new drivers created according to the Selmo structure from the collection. Adding more drivers may be necessary to integrate more devices or functions into the application or to extend the existing functionality. In the next video, we will show how to use parameters to make our process more flexible.